Hello, everyone. James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
Hi, everyone. Great to be back again. Today's topic is very exciting. We will talk about how non-native English speakers become fluent in English.
Yes, this is a question many learners ask. They say, James, how can I speak English fluently? Or why do some people learn fast and others don't?
Exactly. And today, we will explain it in a simple way. We will share real tips, examples, and even some funny stories.
Yes, and don't worry, we will use simple English so you can understand everything easily.
Let's start with a basic question. What does fluent mean?
Good question. Many people think fluent means perfect English, but that is not true.
Yes, fluent means you can speak smoothly. You don't stop too much. You can express your ideas, even if you make mistakes.
Right. For example, if you say, yesterday I went to the market, that's okay. You corrected yourself.
Yes, and native speakers also make mistakes sometimes, so don't be afraid.
So, step number 1 to become fluent is don't be afraid of mistakes.
That's very important. Many learners are too shy. They think, oh no, my grammar is not perfect.
But if you wait for perfect grammar, you will never speak.
Exactly. It's like learning to swim. You cannot learn swimming only by reading a book.
Yes, you must jump into the water.
Maybe not jump, maybe start slowly.
Yes, start slowly. Don't drown, please.
So speaking is key. Non-native speakers who become fluent speak a lot.
Yes, they practice every day, even if it's just 10 minutes.
Let me give an example. Imagine two students. One studies grammar for 2 hours every day, but never speaks.
And the second student studies grammar for 30 minutes, but speaks for 1 hour.
Who will become fluent faster?
Of course, the second student.
Exactly, because language is for communication.
So, tip number 2, speak every day.
Even if you don't have a partner, you can speak alone.
Yes, talk to yourself. For example, today I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I go to work.
Some people think that's crazy.
But it works.
Yes, maybe you look a little funny, but you become fluent.
Another important thing is listening.
Oh yes, listening is very powerful.
Many non-native speakers listen a lot. They listen to podcasts, YouTube, movies, and music.
This helps your brain understand natural English.
For example, when you hear gonna many times, you understand it means going to.
Yes, and you start to use it naturally.
So, tip number 3, listen every day.
But not just passive listening. Try active listening.
Good point. Active listening means you focus, you try to understand.
You can also repeat sentences.
This is called shadowing.
Yes. For example, the speaker says, I'm going to the store, and you repeat, I'm going to the store.
This improves your pronunciation and rhythm.
And it makes you sound more natural.
Now let's talk about vocabulary.
Ah, yes. Many learners try to learn too many words.
Like 100 words per day.
That's too much. Your brain will say, no thank you.
Yes, exactly. It's better to learn fewer words but use them often.
For example, learn 5 new words and use them in sentences.
Yes, like I feel excited. I feel tired. I feel confused.
Repetition is very important. Non-native speakers who become fluent repeat words many times.
They also learn phrases, not just single words.
Good point. For example, instead of learning take, learn take a break.
Or make a decision.
This helps you speak faster.
Because you don't think word by word.
You think in chunks.
Exactly, like building blocks. Now let's talk about thinking in English.
Oh, this is a big step.
Yes, many learners think in their native language and then translate.
That takes time and makes speaking slow.
Fluent speakers think directly in English.
But how can you do that?
Start with simple thoughts. For example, I am hungry. I need water.
Or this is a nice day.
Yes, very simple. then slowly your brain changes.
It's like training your mind.
Another tip is to use English in real life.
Yes, not only in books.
For example, change your phone language to English.
Or write your shopping list in English.
Or watch movies without subtitles.
That one is hard.
Yes, but very effective.
Start with subtitles, then remove them later.
Good idea.
Let's talk about motivation.
Ah, yes. Motivation is like fuel.
Without fuel, the car cannot move.
Many people start learning English, but they stop after a few weeks.
Because they lose motivation.
So, how can we stay motivated?
First, set clear goals.
For example, I want to speak English for my job.
Or, I want to travel and talk to people.
Second, make learning fun.
Watch videos you enjoy.
Listen to music you like.
Don't only study boring grammar books.
Yes, or you will fall asleep.
Yes, exactly.
Another important thing is consistency.
Yes, small steps every day.
It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week.
Your brain learns better with regular practice.
Like going to the gym.
Yes, if you go once a month, no muscles.
But if you go every day, strong muscles.
So English is like a muscle.
Train it every day.
Now let's talk about fear.
Many learners are afraid to speak.
They worry about mistakes, accent, or what people think.
But let me tell you something important.
What is it?
Most people don't care.
That's true. They are happy you try to speak their language.
Yes, people usually respect that, so don't be afraid.
Be brave.
Even if your sentence is not perfect, speak anyway.
Practice makes progress. Not perfect, progress.
I like that. Let's share a short story.
Yes, stories are fun.
I had a student from Japan.
Okay.
At the beginning, he was very shy.
He didn't speak much?
Yes, he only said yes and no.
Classic beginner.
But he practiced every day.
What did he do?
He watched videos, repeated sentences, and spoke with friends online.
And what happened?
After 6 months, he could have long conversations.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, because he was consistent and brave.
That's the key.
Not talent, but practice.
Another thing is environment.
Yes, your environment is very important.
If you are surrounded by English, you learn faster.
But what if you live in a country where people don't speak English?
Good question.
You can create your own environment.
How?
Join online communities.
Talk with people on apps.
Follow English content on social media.
Yes, make English part of your daily life.
Exactly. Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Many learners worry about their accent.
But you don't need a perfect accent,
You just need clear pronunciation.
so people understand you.
Practice sounds, listen carefully, and repeat.
Record your voice.
That's a great tip.
Yes, you can hear your mistakes,
It might feel strange at first.
but it helps a lot. Now let's talk about patience.
Oh yes, this is very important.
Learning a language takes time,
You cannot become fluent in 1 week.
or 1 month.
It takes months, even years.
But don't worry,
If you practice every day, you will improve.
step by step.
Like climbing a mountain.
Sometimes slow, but you reach the top.
And the view is beautiful.
Yes, haha, yes.
Let's give a quick summary.
Good idea.
First, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Second, speak every day.
Third, listen a lot.
Fourth, learn vocabulary in phrases.
Fifth, think in English.
Sixth, stay motivated.
Seventh, be consistent.
And finally, be patient.
If you follow these steps, you will become fluent.
Maybe not tomorrow.
But definitely in the future.
Yes, keep going
Never give up.
and enjoy the journey.
Yes, learning English can be fun.
Thank you for listening.
We hope this episode helps you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.